I don't fit in. I don't play the games they're in. I march to my own drum beat on my own 2 feet. I don't follow the crowd, I don't laugh out loud at jokes that aren't funny. I don't take fake money. But different doesn't mean less than. It means I am who I am. It means I'm not a copy. It means I'm not sloppy with my identity, with my authenticity. I'm proudly me. I'm proudly free. I'm different and I'm proud. I say it nice and loud. I'm different, can't you see? I'm exactly who I'm meant to be. Not a copy, not a clone. I'm uniquely on my own. I'm different, and that's my superpower, my finest hour. I tried to fit in once or twice, but it never felt right, it never sufficed. I tried to be like everyone, but a battle couldn't be won. Because I'm wired differently, I'm styled distinctively, I'm cut from a different cloth. I'm not afraid of love. So now I'm embracing the weird and living without fear of judgment, of rejection, of others' perception. I'm owning my quirks, I'm doing the works of being authentically, completely, totally me. I'm different and I'm proud. I say it nice and loud. I'm different, can't you see? I'm exactly who I'm meant to be. Not a copy, not a clone. I'm uniquely on my own. I'm different, and that's my superpower, my finest hour. Different is beautiful, different is powerful, different is me, completely and totally. The world needs more of us, the ones who make a fuss about being real, about how we feel. Different, and I'm different, different, yeah, I'm different. It's my gifting, it's my truth, it's my life. Different, and I'm different, different.
Can you hear it? The rain is calling your name. Rain is tapping on my window like it's asking to come in, asking if you're coming home, asking where you've been. I don't have the answers, I've been asking too. Where are you when the sky turns gray and I'm missing you? The thunder rolls and I jump at the sound, wishing you were here to wrap your arms around. The girl who's scared of storms but more scared of being alone, wishing you would pick up the phone. Rainy night, hold me tight, keep me warm till morning light. Rainy night by your side, there's no place I'd rather hide from the world, from the pain, from the endless pouring rain. We used to love the rain, we dance in it like fools. Now it just reminds me of the day you broke the rules. You said you'd always be here when the weather turned to gray, but now the storm is here and you're so far away. I light a candle, make some tea, put on a favorite song, pretending that you're here. going wrong. But the silence speaks too loud. The rain won't let me pretend. This lonely night is never gonna end. Rainy night, hold me tight, keep me warm till morning light. Rainy night by your side, there's no place I'd rather hide from the world, from the pain, from the endless pouring rain. They say rain washes clean, brings new life to the ground. Maybe when it stops, some peace can finally be found. Until then, I'll sit here watching droplets race and hope that someday you'll come back to this place. Rainy night, maybe tomorrow the sun will shine, but tonight I'll let the rain be mine. Rain continues, slowly fades.
After all these years together, through the stormy and fair weather, I look at you and still get butterflies, still see forever in your eyes. The gray in your hair, the lines on your face are just evidence of a grace, of a life lived side by side, of a love that hasn't died. They said love fades with time, that passion cools to warm. They said the butterflies eventually become the norm. But baby, you're still blowing my mind like it was day one. You're still my sun, my moon, my stars, my everything under the sun. I'm still in love with you after everything we've been through. Still in love, forever true. Nothing in this world could undo the way I feel for you, the way you make me feel brand new. I'm still in love, I'm still in love with you. We've had our ups and downs, maybe trying to smile and frown, but through it all we held on tight and made it through the night. We weathered storms that broke the rest. We passed every single test of faith, of trust, of love sent from somewhere up above. I remember our first kiss, I remember our first fight, I remember every moment that we made it through the the love will never, ever end. After all this time, still in love, and you're still mine, still in love, till the end of the line, still in love, and I'm so glad you're mine. I'm still in love with you. Still in love, still in love. Still in love, still in love, still in love, still in love. Oh, yeah. Oh. I should have said I love you more. Should have opened every door. Should have held you when you cried. Should have never let you slide. Should have been the man you needed. Should have planted all the seeds of a future we could grow. But I let the chances go. Oh, but I was young and I was dumb. I was running from the sun of your love that shone so bright. I was blinded by the light. And now you're gone and I'm undone. A battle I have lost and won. The wisdom of regret is clear. I should have kept you near. Should have said so many things. Should have given you everything. Should have been a better man. Now I don't know if I can ever get you back again. Ever be your number one. Ever feel your setting sun rise again in my life. I replay every fight, every wrong word, every night, every time I walked away when I should have begged you to stay. Every time I chose my pride over having you by my side. Every selfish, foolish act and led to the final fact. Thinking if I could rewind, if I could turn back the hands of time, I would treat you differently. I would love you openly. I would show you every day just how much you mean to me. But life don't work that way. Should've said so many things. Should've said, should've given you everything. Should've given you the been a better man. Oh, now I don't know if I can ever get you back again. Ever get you back or be your number one. Ever feel your setting sun rise again in my life. But life don't work that way. And I gotta live with the price I pay. For every shoulda that I didn't say. For every chance I threw away. I carry you in my regret. A lesson that I can't forget. The hardest part of losing you is knowing no one else will do. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but didn't. And that's the story of my life without you. Let's take our time. Yeah. Yeah. Let's take our time. There's no need to rush. I wanna memorize the way your body says so much. Without a single word, your silence speaks to me. Every breath you take is like a melody. Slow down, let me savor every moment. Right now, let's be completely focused on the way your skin feels under my hands. Baby, let me be your biggest fan. Slow motion, that's how we should move. Ocean, deep as a wave, I'm into you. Devotion, I'll give you all of it and more. Just keep moving with me, let me adore. Your body speaks a language I was born to understand. Every curve, every place, I wanna trace it with my hands. Tell me what you like, I'll take my time and learn the map of every inch of you. There's no need to retract. The way you move is hypnotizing me. I'm caught up in your gravity. Don't stop, don't pause, don't break the spell. In this moment only we could dwell. Slow motion, that's how we should move. Ocean, deep as a wave, I'm into you. Devotion, I'll give you all of it and more. Just keep moving with me, let me adore. And when the morning light creeps through the blind, we'll do it all again, rewind and rewind. Cause what we got is too precious to rush. Some things are better when you take the time and trust. That's how we love. Forever taking our time. Yeah. Yeah. City lights beneath my feet, moving through the crowded streets. Everybody's got somewhere to be, but all I'm thinking about is you and me. Neon sign reflecting puddles from the rain. Every face is just a blur of pain, cause none of them are you. None of them will do. The skyscrapers touch the sky, and wondering why you're not here by my side. In this concrete jungle ride, I'm surrounded by a million souls, but I feel complete alone. In this city of dreams, nothing is as it seems. Underneath the city lights, I'm searching for you tonight. Through the neon and the noise, trying to find my peace and joy. City lights, they shine so bright, but nothing shines like you in my life. In this maze of steel and glass, I'm hoping that will last. Taxi cabs and subway train, walking through the pouring rain. Every face I see is yours, behind every closing door. I catch a glimpse, I turn around, but you nowhere to be found. Just my imagination lakes, just my heart playing pigs. The city never sleeps, it never rests, it just keeps pushing, pulling, taking, breaking, constantly awaking. The emptiness inside, the loneliness I hide, behind a smile, behind a style, behind a serving guy. Underneath the city lights, I'm searching for you tonight. Through the neon and the noise, trying to find my peace and joy. City lights, they shine so bright, but nothing shines like you in my life. In this maze of steel and glass, I'm hoping that will last. The city's full of million souls, but without without you I'm alone. In the crowd but by myself, putting my heart on the shelf, waiting for the day when you come back to stay. In the city of light, making everything right, yeah. City lights, take me home to wherever you are, yeah. Wherever you roam. City lights, guide me through, back to you. I know it's over, I know it's done, but I'm not ready for this race to be run. Just give me one more night with you to say goodbye the way we should do. Not with anger, not with tears, but with the love we shared for years. Not with slamming of the door, but with the peace we're looking for. I need closure, I need peace, I need this ache to finally cease. I need to hold you one last time. I need to know that you'll be fine without me, without us, without our love and trust. Just one more night, just one more time, just one more chance to make it right. One more night to hold you close, one more night, that's all I ask the most. One more night to memorize the love reflected in your eyes. Then I'll let you go, but I need to know that we had one more night to say goodbye, right? One more night. We didn't end the way we should. I wish we could have been good to each other till the end. Instead of breaking, bending, we let pride get in the way. We let anger have its say. And now we're here at the end without the chance to make amends. I'm not asking to go back, I'm not asking to retract every step that led to here, every doubt and every fear. I'm just asking for a pause, one last moment, one last clause in the story of our love, sent from somewhere up above. One more night to hold you close, one more night, that's all I ask the most. One more night to memorize the love reflected in your eyes. Then I'll let you go, but I need to know that we had one more night to say goodbye, right? One more. So grant me this last request, lay your head upon my chest. Let's pretend for just one night that everything is still right. Let's pretend we're not through, that I'm still loving you and goodbye. One more night, thank you for this. One more night, our final kiss. I'm not a boy playing games anymore. I've been through enough. I know the score. I know what I want. I know what I need. And I'm ready to plant a love seed. No more running, no more hiding, no more deciding not to decide. I'm ready to be all in, ready to let love win. I've made mistakes, I've paid my dues, I've sang the blues in different hues. I've loved and lost, I've been burned, I've had lessons I've learned, and now I'm standing here without a single fear, ready to give my all, ready to answer love's call. I'm a grown man with grown man plans. I wanna hold your hand as a grown man. I'm a grown man with grown man love, sent from somewhere up above, ready to settle down in this grown man town. Ready to be true, ready to give my all to you. I used to think that love was a game, that it was all about the fame of having someone by my side, of having somewhere to hide. But now I know that love is work, that it's not something to shirk. It's a daily choice, it's a daily voice. So if you're ready for a man who understands what love demands, take my hand. I promise to be true, all I say, and all I say and do, all I say. I promise to be there, yeah, through every single care, yeah. Hereby, I'm a grown man with grown man plans. I wanna hold your hand as a grown man. I'm a grown man with grown man love, sent from somewhere up above, ready to settle down in this grown man town. Oh, ready to be true, ready to give my all to you. The boys have all gone home, the men are left alone, to build something that lasts, to build something that's vast. I'm ready to build with you, to see the project through to the end of our days, in so many ways. Oh, grown man, ready to love you right, ready to love you right. Oh, grown man, every day and night. Let's do this right, let's do this forever.